Question 2 here says, in which way has the study of biology helped us to control infection diseases? Okay, so what has biology done till now? Okay, so use of vaccine and immunization is a step forward. So use of vaccine and immunization programs is due to the advancement in biology. Second, biotechnology is helping to make new and safe vaccine. Okay, so as science is developing further, biotechnology is helping us to make new and safe and better medicines. Now, discovery of antibodies and various other drugs have also enabled to treat infectious diseases. Okay, students, so these three are the points which you are supposed to keep in mind. Now,